Hi, my name is Wilson Fabio Vergara Rodriguez. In this tutorial video, I'll be discussing ways to save water and help the environment. Water is a precious resource and is essential that we use it wisely by making simple change to our daily routine. We can save a significant amount of water and help preserve the environment. So here are some steps to save water. Step 1. Fix leaks. The first step in saving water is to fix any leaks in your home. Leaks can waste a significant amount of water over time, and it's essential to fix them as soon as possible. Check your faucets, toilets, and pipes for leaks regularly and fix them if you find any. Step 2. Take showers. Taking showers is an excellent way to save water. Try to limit your showers to 5 minutes or less, and consider turning on tap water while you soaping up or shaving. You can also install a low flow shower which can save you up to 75% of water compared to a regular shower. Step 3. Use a bucket or watering plant. When watering plants, use a bucket instead of a hose or a sprinkler. This way you can control the amount of water you use and avoid wasting water on areas that don't need it. You can also use leftover water from cooking or washing dishes to water your plants. Step 4. Only rain follows on laundry. When doing laundry, only run for load. This way, you can save water and energy as washing machines use the same amount of water regardless of the load size. You can also consider upgrading to a efficiency washing machine which can save you up to 50% of water and energy. Step 5. Install faucet arrays. Installing faucet and heaters is an easy and expensive way to save water. Heaters add air to the water stream, reducing the amount of water used while maintaining water pressure. You can install heaters on your kitchen and bathroom faucet and save up to 30 of water. These are some of the ways you can save water and help the environment. Remember, every drop counts, and by making small changes to your daily routine, you can make a significant difference. So start today and let's save water together. Thanks.